Welcome to the Universal Translation Portal. Our secure online account gives you complete control over your translation project from start to finish. Once you log in, you'll immediately see all of your projects in one convenient dashboard, and each project displays its current status. One of the most powerful features of our portal is the online document editor. Instead of downloading and re-uploading documents, you can edit your translated document directly in your web browser. We offer our online editor because many of the documents we receive contain handwritten text, unclear scans, or sections that are difficult for our translators to read accurately. Using the online editor allows you to quickly correct or clarify these parts yourself, eliminating unnecessary back-and-forth emails and significantly speeding up the translation process. If you notice any text that needs to be corrected or clarified, simply edit the document directly. Please do not add comments, notes, or highlight text in yellow, as these annotations will become part of the final document once you approve it. Simply make the necessary changes directly in the document and save your edits. After you approve the document, please keep the window open until you receive the confirmation message. You can also download the translated document, make your changes offline, and then upload the revised version. When editing the document, please do not use track changes and do not highlight any text, as our comparison tools automatically detect every change you made. In our online account, you can always find your quotes, your completed projects in case you need it, your invoices, or make a new request for a quote. In case you have questions, you can chat with us if we are available, and we appreciate if you can rate our services. Do not forget to update your profile, and through your online account, you can also send us a message related to your project.